guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are doing an unboxing, and it's not just any unboxing, it might be one of my most favorite unboxing videos because it has everything that I love. And no, it's not beauty. You guys want to know what it is? I got the Nick box. It is the first time that I was able to get it. Every time they go on sale, they sell out. But I'm so glad I was able to get this box, and I'm just ready to open this up. And as you guys can see, I am wearing my Reptar shirt designed by E-Man Arts. I will link him below, and his shop as well. So let's unbox this. Look at the design inside the box, guys. Oh, my favorite people's in here. Oh, my favorite people's. It brings this little postcard. It is the same design as the box. So happy to have it in the postcard form. So I might just put this at my desk at work. Alright, so this box brings 8 items. It's a seasonal box. You get it every 3 months for $49.99. So let's get in this box. I'm gonna have to like get something to put this on top of because everything's falling. Put it right here. Oh, alright, so the first thing off the bat when you open the box, it's the Tommy's notebook and the screwdriver. This is freaking adorable. Let me take this out so you guys could actually see it very well. This is so cute. Well, it's the ball. As you guys can see, they made it into a notebook. Ah! And the pages have him down there. Look at this. Alright, so the screwdriver is a pen. So let me take that out so we can see it. Guys, this is so cute. See, it's a little... I love this. This is so cool. Before I even started kindergarten, I remember every day at 9 a.m. Rugrats would be on, and I'd watch that the whole morning. So that was Tommy's Toy Stationery Set. Keep track of all your baby duties and adventures with the stationery set inspired by Tommy's ball and a toy screwdriver. Moving on. It is the Space Madness Towel, guys. And this is what the card reads. Life driving you mad? Ren gets it. Of course he does. Wash away the craziness and dry off with this Space Madness theme bath towel. I mean, it's a weird shape because not like that traditional rectangular shape, so I'll probably just use this for my face. You know, when I wash my face, wash my makeup off, or maybe I'll just put it on my wall. If the Funkos let me. Next thing in the box, it's one of my favorite cartoons growing up, and it is Rocco. Rocco from Rocco's Modern Life. This is actually a pouch tote. So let's open this up. Oh my god. This is freaking cool. So yeah, it's a pouch tote. Basically, Rocco's face is at the bottom, holding all your goodies inside. I was actually expecting this to be a coin purse due to the design that you guys saw. But the tote is good too. Now how the hell do I close this? Guys, I'm so happy that I got this box. So here it is, and it even has a little keychain for it right here. Oh, okay, so I wasn't as big as a fan of this show, but I did watch it whenever it was on. Rocket Power mini deck with decals. So it's, you know, little skateboard things that we had when we were little. that's pretty much what it is, and you would just put decals on them. Ride in with style with this epic mini skateboard. Pro tip, use the decals to make it your own and separate yourself from the shoeies. Pretty much what we used to use, the little skateboard things. But you would like play with it and stuff, you know. Oh, okay, so Real Monsters is one of my favorite cartoons growing up as well, and we actually got a cosplay set. It's not just any cosplay set, it is the Crumb cosplay set. It has the armpits, his smelly armpit. They're not smelly, but they're, you know, so you would put it on, and his eyes. Crumb was actually one of my favorites. Yes, Ickis was like, you know, and Oblina, love her and her lips. That's probably why I grew this fascination with lips and always have lipstick on my lips, because of Oblina, and she had like these big red lips. That could be. Guys! Oh my god. Okay, so obviously I like Nickelodeon shows, okay? But Hey Arnold was one of my top favorite ones. And Stoop Kid. Look at him. It's Stoop Kid. They sent me a Stoop Kid vinyl. Guys, this is freaking amazing. Stoop Kid, the episode with Stoop Kid was one of my top favorites, and I love it. I'm so glad they sent this. So I put them back in, whatever. So the card said, Stoop Kid vinyl. Stoop Kid may be afraid to leave his stoop, but he isn't afraid of a little company. So grab your folding chair and cop a squat next to your very own Stoop Kid vinyl. He's gonna be on my desk at work. Oh my god, guys. If this thing couldn't have gotten any better. Ren and Stimpy, we already covered that I got that Space Madness Ren bath towel. They couldn't forget about Stimpy. Hello. A Stimpy soap dispenser. What? Okay, I need to open this and see what this is all about. Look at it. So it has the holes there, so when you squeeze it, I really wish I had soap right now to just squirt it out. This is so cool. I cannot wait to put this in the bathroom and have my mom use this dispenser and see it coming out with boogers. This is freaking awesome. So the postcard says, Stimpy soap dispenser. Rest assured, no nose goblins were harmed in this making of this Stimpy soap dispenser. Oh, I love everything in this box so far. And last but not least, guys, we got the purple Reptar enamel pin. It's just so fitting with my shirt. Just put them there, right? So the Reptar Fam Bam just got a whole lot bigger. Stomp around with this purple Reptar enamel pin and show everyone who's boss. So yeah, guys, that was the Nick box, and I'm so excited and happy that I got it because it was amazing. Everything, all the shows that I watched growing up were in this box. So definitely worth it for me. If you guys want to get your box, go ahead and sign up. They have like a sign up page where you could get a notification when the next box goes on sale. So this box is sold out. You're not able to get it, but I'm so happy I did. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel before you leave if you guys want to keep watching these types of videos. Also, if you are a subscriber or a new subscriber, click that bell so you get notifications whenever a video goes up. And make sure to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Link will be on the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and bye-bye.